Today I'm using some soap to induce. This is story of how I got this soap is I was with my friends and we went to the mall and we went to this one store where they had a lot of soap. It was like fancy soap, and we were walking around and I walked past this one store with one soap, and I just smelled it, and right away this one part of my nose started to tickle, and then just the whole thing made me sneeze like 4 times. Oh, my whole nose just gets so tickly. Oh, I feel it all the way in the back. And it builds around and just tickles the edge of my nose. Blow my nose. I'm using a hanky for anyone who wants to know. Okay, I'm gonna sniff it again. Just hold it right under my nose. But yeah, so I went back to the store later by myself, the mall. Oh my gosh. Oh, I had to see so bad, it went away. Oh.